Hello, my little kids. I'm back with one of your favorite subjects, math. Today, we will learn more interesting topics related to numbers. I hope you must have revised your last session. Before starting our today's session, let's do revision of the last session. We learned about forward counting, backward counting, number names and write-in figures. Counting from smaller to bigger numbers is called forward counting, and counting from bigger to smaller numbers is known as backward counting. Now, today we will discuss about before number, after number, between number, bigger number and smaller number. Let's start our first topic, that is before number. Before number means one less than the given number, or if you subtract 1 from the given number, then you will get the before number of that number. बिफोर नंबर का मतलब होता है जो नंबर दिया है उससे एक कम, मतलब उस नंबर के पहले आने वाला नंबर. सो बिफोर नंबर ऑफ 9 इज 8 बिकॉज 8 9 से पहले आता है. सिमिलरली बिफोर नंबर ऑफ 99 is, yes, 99 minus 1, that means 98. And before number of 149 is 149 minus 1 is equal to 148. After number. After number is exactly opposite of before number. So we can say after number means one greater than the given number, or we can say if you add 1 to the given number, then you will get the after number of that number. अगर दिए हुए नंबर में 1 प्लस किया जाए तो हमें उसका आफ्टर नंबर मिलता है. आफ्टर नंबर मतलब दिए हुए नंबर के बाद आने वाला नंबर. So we can say after number of 9 is 10, क्योंकि 9 के बाद 10 आता है. After number of 99 is, yes, 100. And after number of 149 is 149 plus 1, that means 150. Next is between number. Between numbers lie in the middle of two numbers. दो नंबर के बीच में आने वाले नंबर को between number कहते हैं. It is always one more than the previous number and one less than the next number. In order to understand this statement, let's solve some examples. 67 blank 69. इन दोनों के बीच का नंबर हम दो तरह से फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. या तो 67 का आफ्टर नंबर लिखो या तो 69 का बिफोर नंबर. सो आवर आंसर इज यस 68 बिकॉज आफ्टर नंबर ऑफ 67 इज 68 and also before number of 69 is 68. Next 93 and 95. Yes, 94 because after number of 93 is 94. Similarly, next one 134 blank 136. Any guesses? Good. 135. Now for the next one, just answer me. What is the after number of 178? Yes, 179. And the last one, 198 blank 200. Now, after number of 198 is 199, and also before number of 200 is 199. So our answer is 199. Now let's learn about smaller numbers and bigger numbers through a video. Smaller and bigger numbers by comparing tens and units. Units means ones. Between 43 and 51, determine the smaller and bigger number. We all know, dear students, that 43 can be written as 4 tens, 3 units, like this. 4 tens, 3 units. Similarly, we can write 51 as 5 tens and 1 unit, like this. In the number 43, 4 is in the tens place, and in the number 51, 5 is in the tens place. So it's obvious 5 tens are bigger than 4 tens. So 51 is bigger than 43 and 43 is smaller than 51. If two-digit numbers have different digits in the tens place, the number with the bigger tens digit is the bigger number. और अगर बच्चों टेंस के प्लेस पे नंबर सेम हो तो हम यूनिट्स के प्लेस को कंपेयर करके बता सकते हैं कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है और कौन सा नंबर छोटा है. I hope now you are totally clear about bigger number and smaller number. Let's do some activities. First one, find a bigger number, 45 or 78. In order to find out a bigger number, we have to compare the first digit. Now for 45, 4 is the first digit, and for 78, 7 is the first digit. You all know 7 is bigger than 4. So 78 is a bigger number. Second one, 151 or 115. In this question, we have same number as a first digit. तो हम दोनों नंबर का दूसरा डिजिट कंपेयर करेंगे. Second digit of 151 is 5 and second digit of 115 is 1. Which is bigger? Yes, 5 is a bigger number. So we can say 151 is bigger than 115. Next, 90 or 19. Here for 90, 9 is the first digit, and for 19, 1 is the first digit. As you all know that 9 is bigger than 1. So we can say 90 is a bigger number. And the last one, 119 or 191. Try to solve it. Yes, good. 191 is bigger than 119. So 191 is a bigger number. Next one, find a smaller number, 35 or 53. With the same method which we have used to solve last activity, we can find a smaller number also. Here in 35, 3 is the first digit, and in 53, 5 is the first digit. As we know, 3 is smaller than 5. So we can say 35 is smaller than 53. बच्चों ध्यान देना, यहाँ हमें छोटा नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है. सेकेंड वन 192 और 129. Here we have 1 as a first digit in both the numbers. So what we do now? Yes, good. We will compare second digit, and second digit of 192 is 9 and second digit of 129 is 2. So as 2 is smaller than 9, we can say 129 is a smaller number. Third one 87 or 78. It is too easy. Good. 78 is a smaller number. And the last one 99 or 90. Here we have 9 as a first digit in both the numbers. So now what we do? Yes, again we compare second digit. So for 99 second digit is 9 and for 90 second digit is 0. So which is smaller one? Yes, 90 is smaller than 99. And here is the homework. You are supposed to write down after number and before number of the given numbers. Further, we will learn more interesting topics related to numbers in our next session. Kindly do revision of all the topics which we have done today. Thank you.